We must believe that fear exists only in our minds. Nature makes us more convinced that life actually shows beauty that we do not expect. When I'm traveling, I feel like I have all that I need. I don't travel to take a break from my daily routines or just to forget my problems, frustrations, and fears. I travel because that makes me feel most alive. When I was a kid, I used to dream about traveling the world. Instead of watching these places on the phone, I have always wanted to see these beautiful places through my own eyes and experience them. I know I haven't traveled a lot, but it's definitely on my list. And this is just the beginning.